Hey, what's going on, guys? Taster Valor here. We're doing my first ever unboxing video, and we will be doing this right here. It comes with 4 exclusive characters: the exclusive Creeper, exclusive Steve, and exclusive Spider Jockey. So, let's do this. This is at Target for $30. 32. This is instructions. Here are the 4 exclusives. Oh, that's okay. Right there. Let's take them off. Here's the Creeper. This is the exclusive Creeper right there.
Hello. There we go.
Here's the exclusive Steve. This one isn't exclusive though.
Hello.
Here's a Spider Jockey.
Yeah! I hate spiders.
Instructions. I will be doing a video soon on this. We're just not going to do it today, probably. Just unboxing. So, yeah.
So, taste for battle. What figure are you going to get next?
I am going to get the Ender Dragon.
Whoa.
I got this one because it got good grades. I think that's one thing, I'm not sure.
Wow, you're going to get the Ender Dragon? That will be incredible.
Yes, I am mostly excited.
So, you got this because your friend Elemental Cats makes movies with the incredible Pokemon figures he makes, right?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Now, I have one joke. Let's just keep this a little secret. What? Should I say it? Okay. Let's just keep this a little secret.
All right. Taste for Battle signing out.